Mr. Queens.
Huh?
This one where you bend cap and hang your shirt. So where you they go, show?
I dey go where I dey go return phone.
Babe, wear your shirt first. Wear your shirt. Wear your shirt. Wear.
My face wear am sef. As in the matter don tire me.
What happen to your phone? Where they tell me now?
Na iPhone wey I buy. You know, say as I collect small money for forest. I gain small money for my forest where I dey trade. Now I say man go buy iPhone. And as I buy the iPhone now, just to come recharge, now man settle down, enjoy my iPhone one buy. I find out say na Samsung na dey inside.
You say what?
Samsung na dey inside the iPhone.
Samsung na dey inside the iPhone.
See the back iPhone logo. If you look up, see Samsung. This is
Samsung. This Samsung. You do it like this. This phone is Samsung phone. This Samsung. The thing just tire me. Check settings. See Samsung settings. See Samsung.
Why can't
Samsung?
You need to return this phone. You need to return this phone.
You need to tire me. See, I remember this iPhone. So
you need to really return this phone.
I make I just invest the go so I push it because
in fact, you even need to push it, hang shirt, so that make them not say yes. Make them not say you serious for this one. Then you need to push it. You need to push it.
Let's go see trade forest and go see.